Hi, I'm Rebecca Hope, Executive Director of Mid-Metro Academy. I'd love to see you this coming Tuesday, June 17th, at 6 o'clock in the evening for our Planning for High School and Beyond workshop. Especially if you've got students in ninth grade and up, or even eighth grade, now is the time, we're not in the middle of the school year, now is the time to step back and think about the big picture of where are we going and what do we want to do with our student through high school. And where is a student going beyond after high school? And what's the best way to prepare the student for success in adulthood? So I've got a lot of great information to share with you about the four-year plan, about making decisions about college versus career, PSEO options, how to pay for college, and then I'll be also explaining how to create the high school transcript, which you are required to do as a homeschool parent. We've also got some great guests who will be with us. We have representatives from four local colleges, someone from the skilled trades, and a couple of other resource people who will be helpful for you, as well as our own teachers and parents who are willing and anxious to support you in this whole journey. So the workshop is free, but we do need you to sign up. So the details are below. And also, if you know people who are possibly interested in homeschooling but aren't quite sure if they could really pull this off, this is a great time for them to come and be exposed to homeschooling and Mid-Metro Academy and to be encouraged to take that great step. So please invite them, and I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday from 6 to 8:30 in the evening at our campus at Mid-Metro Academy. Thanks.